am at Conklin Farms in Montville, New Jersey. And I'm here with my buddy Lucas, and we came here to pick some pumpkins and to have some fun. So what do you say, Lucas? Are you ready to check this place out? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Here's all the wheelbarrows that you get. You wheel them around, you go in the pumpkin field, and you pick your pumpkins. We found a little section with painted pumpkins. And Lucas is checking them out. Did you find anything good, Lucas? What's on there? A monkey? Oh. It's a chilly day, but it's sunny. And it's a perfect fall day to come out pumpkin picking. Anything else good over there, Lucas? Oh, there's one. Where? Oh, the Jets back there? Oh, be careful. Yeah, I see it. Whoa, let me see that one. Are you a Jets fan? Are you a Jets fan? Let me see that. Whoa. Nice painted pumpkins. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Such cute little faces. Oh, here they're selling all kinds of goodies. Apple butter, pumpkin butter, jellies, honey. All kinds of goodies. I might have to take something home with me.
Please don't.
Ooh. Oh, Lucas doesn't like honey, but Grandma does. There's apples here, and there's pies. What is this? Apple crumb pies, pumpkin pies. Ooh, and I see cider over there.
It smells good.
See, the sign over here says fresh baked pies. Look at Lucas. Let me see that. Look at Lucas is intrigued by all the different shapes of the gourds. Look at all those gourds, Lucas. Look at the shapes of everything.
It's a gourd, girl.
Gourd with a G. Gourds. Wow, look at that. Lots of gourds. And look at these little pumpkins. Look, it says Jack Be Little. Jack Be Little pumpkins. Look at the little tiny ones. And there's white ones, Lucas. Look at the white ones.
Look at this one.
You like the gourds, huh?
Look, I can...
Oh, hello. Who are you talking to?
You.
Oh, no, those little ones, those gourds are... No, Lucas, they're $1.50 each. Jack Be Little pumpkins. All the white ones. Ooh. Oh, we just found some bumpy pumpkins. Let me zoom in on them.
Someone smell this.
Oh, no, thank you.
Smell it.
Ooh, bumpy pumpkins. Look at all the people here today. It's crowded. Lots of people way back there. We're going to go picking out their pumpkins. Look at these giant pumpkins. Wow, Lucas is checking those out. It's the sign says, "Please do not stand on me. I bruise easily." Look at the size of them. Look at this. How tall this fool. And here we have Lucas. He's about, yeah, you're about 3. Stand against there again. I think you're about 3 3/4 feet tall. Yeah. Pumpkins everywhere. Who do I see up there? Who are you, little boy? Are you Lucas? Oh, he's gone.
The Baking Diva. Hi, Baking Diva.
Uh-oh. Lucas was bad. It says, I was bad, and there he is. Where are you, Lucas? In the bad place. Look at all these pumpkins. Do we want white? Do we want orange? Do we want blue? Oh, look, in the way in the back there, Lucas, is the haunted hayride. We're not going on that. We'll just go back and check it out. Oh, the hayride is taken off. They have weekend haunted hayrides. There they go. Have fun, people. Have fun. A lot of people waiting to go on that. haunted hayride.
I don't think there's two.
Look what we found! Some goats in the petting zoo. Oh, there's two. There's one down there with some roosters. And look at that one. He's just sitting on the roof. Three? Where's the other one? There's one behind. Oh yeah, you're right. He's just sitting up there sunbathing, having a good time. The other one's falling asleep. Cleo?
Yeah, she's high.
Up, we can't feed them. The sign says, please don't feed the goats. Up, there's the billy goat. Lucas said that was the grandpa goat.
You're done, that's it?
Here we are over at the snack shack. Lucas and I are going to have some lunch. Look, we found a smashed, squished pumpkin. Hey Lucas, what did you tell me that your teacher said about pumpkins?
My teacher, when she grows pumpkins.
Look at me. Oh, she grows pumpkins?
Like this?
Yeah, she grows pumpkins. Does she live on a farm?
No.
Oh, she just has a garden with pumpkins?
Yeah. And then it's
Look at me.
She throws them.
What does she do?
She throws them
She throws the pumpkins. Where does she throw them?
in the yard.
And then what happens?
It makes new pumpkin.
What? Because of the pumpkin seeds?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to tell your teacher you came here. Look at that. All those seeds in there. And they grow new pumpkins.
Hi, Lucas.
Hi.
We're at Conklin Farms to get some pumpkins. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Toodles.
Hey, Lucas. How's your cider donuts? Good. Save me a couple. We're walking through the fields now. How you making out, Lucas? Did you find anything? Huh?
Yeah.
Let's keep going. I'm sure we'll find some nice ones. We're going to get one for Lucas, one for Kyle, one for Jake, and one for Aaron. Pumpkins! 70 cents a pound. We have to weigh them after we pick them.
Trying to find some pumpkins. They're heavy, right, Grandma? Let me try and pick one up. Let me try and pick one up.
Okay, Lucas, are you ready? We have the pumpkins for everybody. Is there 5 of them in there? All right, can you push that baby of a wheelbarrow? Oh my goodness, is it heavy?
This side is heavy. This one?
It's heavy. All right, we got to go weigh them now. I'll help you.
I think something broke.
You think the... Oh no, the wheelbarrow broke? Let me go check it. Man's helping us. Lucas is watching. We're getting our pumpkins weighed. We can find out how much these 5 big pumpkins cost us. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, they weighed our pumpkins. Lucas, how many pounds of pumpkin do we have?
82.
How many? 82 pounds of pumpkins? Lordy. Okay, we found our 82 or whatever it was pounds of pumpkin.
2 pounds.
Yeah, I have to walk up the hill to get our car. So Lucas is going to wait here. Go buy the pumpkins, Lucas. Lucas is going to wait here, and he's going to stay right near the wheelbarrow.
That's definitely good back muscle.
Yes, and you stay there and you don't move, and Grandma's going to bring the car down, okay?
I had 2.